Hello, friends. Welcome back to Thanks to My Parents. I hope you enjoyed my previous short Excel tricks, and I'm sure you must have learned something new from them as well. Today, I am bringing one of the most powerful Excel features ever, Flash Fill. This single tool can clean, convert, and transform your data in seconds, without formulas, without functions, and without any complexity. Flash Fill works by detecting your pattern. All you do is type your example, press Ctrl+E. Excel completes everything automatically. So let's begin with 7 practical and beautiful uses of Flash Fill that will make your daily Excel work incredibly fast and professional. Let's start with a common task, creating email addresses. For example, from ollykhan to ollie.khan@gmail.com. In the email column, type manually ollie.khan@gmail.com. Go to the next cell, then press Ctrl+E. Excel instantly generates emails for all remaining names based on your pattern. Clean, fast, and perfect for HR lists, employee records, or student data. Next, extracting initials in seconds. From Ollie Khan to AK. In the first cell, type the initials manually, AK, then press Ctrl+E. Excel recognizes the pattern and extracts initials for all names within a second. Flash Fill can also clean or format numbers automatically. For instance, transforming +92-345/890-9517 into 92345890-9517. Clean the first number manually, then press Ctrl+E. Excel removes symbols, slashes, brackets, anything dirty, and delivers clean numbers instantly. This is great for cleaning phone numbers, item codes, or ID lists. You can also convert text formats, like changing Ollie Khan to Ollie Khan. Type the formatted version in the first cell, then press Ctrl+E. No formulas needed. Flash Fill handles everything perfectly, converting lowercase to uppercase to propercase, or even cleaning mixed text. Flash Fill can even arrange names in reverse order. For example, Ollie Khan becomes Khan Ollie. In the new column, type Khan Ollie, then press Ctrl+E. Excel automatically reverses all remaining names for you. This is a great trick for data cleaning and professional formatting. Formatting phone numbers is also a breeze. Transform 0312-345-6789 into 0312-345-6789. Type the desired format for the first number, then press Ctrl+E. Just give one example. Excel formats the rest beautifully, whether it's 345-6789 or 0312-345-6789. Finally, splitting or combining text without formulas. To split Ollie Khan into Ollie, type Ollie in the first cell, then press Ctrl+E. Excel splits all first names. To combine Ollie and Khan into Ollie Khan, type Ollie Khan in the first cell, then press Ctrl+E. Excel instantly merges all names using your pattern. No concat, no formulas. Let's quickly recap everything we learned today: creating email addresses, extracting initials, cleaning messy numbers, converting text formats, reversing names, formatting phone numbers, and splitting or combining text. One example plus Ctrl+E equals magic. Flash Fill is truly one of the fastest data cleaning tools in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Thanks to My Parents. Tell me in the comments which Excel trick you want to learn next. I would be happy to teach you. See you in the next video, and happy Excel learning!